In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get resources fast in Total Battle. So if you're actually a beginner and you want to get resources fast for building your city as well as your actual clan, what you can do is you can head over and go into this Reddit post that will give you some advice for beginners. So in here, as you can see, the advice for this is to join a clan as soon as possible. So the game is done in a way that you must join a clan to get good resources. So if you want to get resources fast, you need to join a clan. Now, hold over and also take note that those clans have a threshold or a milestone that you need to hit in order to get more resources from there. In a way, you can get over 1 million power. You may find 300 million well clans as well for that, and should be able to get golds, potions, and the likes. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video successfully helped you out.